If you try to fail and succeed, which have you done? Is an argument between two vegans still called a beef? If a bar of soap falls on the floor, will the soap get dirty, or will the floor get clean? If a cyclops closes its eye, is it a wink or a blink? Why did Miss Frizzle teach kids about science? By using a magic school bus. If an illegal immigrant fought a child molester, would it be Alien versus Predator?